Hello everyone, this is Aaron from OneSite0.net, and today we're going to bring you on an unboxing and overview of the MSI Claw. Basically, the MSI Claw is actually a handheld PC device that you can carry everywhere. Before we continue, we hope that you can like, subscribe and follow our video so that we can create more contents for you. Without further ado, let's unbox and go through the overview of the MSI Claw. Let's check it out. Let's begin the unboxing process. So this is actually the box of the MSI Claw. Upon opening up, this is actually the handheld. Let me just turn it on. While waiting for the Claw to boot, you will get this AC adapter for your charging needs, and this charger is actually rated at 65 watt, which is actually enough to actually power up the device and charge and play at the same time. And you also get a small little instruction over here that shows you how you plug in the device and auto power on, get your latest update from Windows Update, and also get your driver updates or your BIOS updates through MSI Live Update app, which we'll go through in this video as well. And that's pretty much you get in the box. And let's get through what do you have in this device. And now let's go through the overview of the device itself. The MSI Claw display is measured at 7-inch, and this runs at 120 Hz. So it gives you a fast refresh rate screen on this handheld device and enjoy all the games that you want. Let's just go through. You have have one micro SD port over here to expand your games or to store your files, and this is the USB-C slot whereby you charge, or if you wanted to expand to other peripherals, you can do it through the USB-C port, such as you can use this kind of generic adapter to actually plug on it, and then perhaps you can extend it to a display using it just like a desktop by plugging in an additional keyboard or mouse. So the D-pad and the usual buttons are all over here, or the usual setup based on the Xbox controller layout. There's also a few buttons over here, one for select and one for start when you are in the game. MSI actually hosts a software over here whereby you can quickly switch your settings, such as, for example, clean up the memory, or if you wanted to turn on your real-time monitor so that you can see your FPS. By the way, speaking about the total power use, this runs at a maximum of 45 watt. This is actually the MSI Center M, which allows you to browse your installed games. And besides that, it gives you the option to actually download multiple storefronts such as Better.net or even Steam. And whatever games that you have installed, you can actually scan it manually, or it will be automatically detected, and it will just display like a shortcut. So this is an all-in-one center whereby you can control your Claw effectively. This is the user scenario whereby you can adjust your power profile. So MSI has provided a few presets over here that you can select. Let's just say you are out and about and you are just playing classic game, you can select the super battery, or otherwise switch it to AI engine and let the app manage. Besides that, there is also a shortcut to actually turn on or turn off your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. This is the part where the MSI Live Update is. So all you're going to do If you wanted to check on the update, all you need to do is just tap on scan, and if there's any new updates, you can update it, such as your chipset driver or your graphics driver. Going through to the back, you will also see two macro buttons whereby you can customize in the game. So this gives you additional controls, maybe racing games or even certain games like RPG that may require more button controls. There is actually additional two over here, namely M1 and M2. You can customize all your controls. So this part is actually the fan and the heatsink, whereby it blows the air out. And of course, the stereo speakers are located over here. That is pretty much on this video. There's actually two variants of the MSI Claw. One comes with Core Ultra 5 and one comes with Core Ultra 7. Now it is widely available in Malaysia already and also in several international markets. The Core Ultra 5 will be priced at RM3499, while the Core Ultra 7 is priced at 3,999. In the next several few days, I will actually play around with the MSI Claw, give you my overview and a segmented review on what I think about the MSI Claw, together with the benchmark result and some gameplay, so stay tuned. That's pretty much I have over here for today, and this is Aaron. I will see you in the next one. Signing out.